Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix TurboTax federal return errors quickly. Yeah, if you're getting an error while preparing or submitting your federal return, it can be really frustrating, especially when you're close to filing. But most of the time, it's actually a simple fix once you check a few important areas. So first, carefully review your entire federal return. Even a small typo, missing field, or incorrect social security number can trigger an error. So make sure all personal and income details are entered exactly as they appear on your documents. Next, check your filing status and dependent information. Yeah, incorrect selections or duplicate claims can lead to calculation errors or rejection issues, so verify everything is accurate. After that, make sure your TurboTax software is fully updated. Updates fix bugs and ensure your return follows the latest IRS rules, which helps prevent errors. Also, review your income and deduction entries. Sometimes missing forms like W-2s or incorrect amounts can cause the system to flag your return with an error. And yeah, if you're e-filing, double-check your prior year AGI. An incorrect AGI can stop your return from being accepted by the IRS. Finally, restart TurboTax and try again after making corrections. Most of the time, these steps will resolve federal return errors and let you file successfully. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.